We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Stocking Stuffers for Adults Men's Screw Extractor set by DDTN. This tool has been making waves as a practical and thoughtful gift for men and women alike, especially during the holiday season. Whether you're shopping for a handyman, a DIY enthusiast, or someone who simply likes to be prepared for life's little challenges, this screw extractor set has been hailed as a must-have addition to any toolbox. If you've tried this product yourself, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what users love and what they don't about this product. The standout feature of this screw extractor set is its ability to work with any drill on virtually any screw or bolt. Users have praised its versatility in removing stripped, painted over, rusted, or rounded screws and bolts with ease. The set includes multiple sizes of extractor drill bits, which makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks. This versatility is one of the reasons why it's been described as a lifesaver by many reviewers. One user shared how they used it to remove a broken plastic screw from a swimming pool valve, describing the process as surprisingly easy when following the included directions. Another user highlighted its utility in older homes where stubborn screws are a common issue. The material quality also stands out as a major